so first thing we're going to do is we're going to scratch coat it.
We're going to wet this board down for you.
Go ahead and wet it. We're going to wet the board so that no moisture gets pulled out of our material into the board. Also, if our substrate was porous, we'd want to put moisture to the substrate so that it doesn't pull moisture out of our material also.
All right. So the tools he's got here is he's just using a flat trowel and a hawk. You can see he's done that before. We're lucky to have Chad. He's got a lot of great experience. He's been in the tile industry for a long time and worked in the California area.
I'm going to start at the bottom and work my way up. And then notice I'm not picking little scoops off of the hawk. I'm actually using the hawk as a means to get it onto my trowel. Using my whole body, legs, back, the whole thing to get it on there. Not bending down, doing that method. What was our minimum thickness on this? I think it was it was a half inch.
Yeah, actually, this manufacturer will let you do less. We can do these site mixes with ratios of sand and lime and cement, and we have those ratios in our NTCA reference manual. This is a pre-mixed product, and with this pre-mixed product, we can go beyond what's usually recommended with a site mix.
Try not to get my cords up there until I stop a little bit short. Can you load me up with probably about a quarter?
Quarter of a bucket. Yes, sir.
Things slide around a little bit. So first thing I'm doing is basically skimming it in. I'm going to hit any spots that I don't have any material on. Try not to fall off the stage here. Looks pretty decent. And then I'm going to apply a coat that we can scratch so that the next time, after at least 24 hours, we can apply our final brown coat on top of that. Maybe a little bit more.
Okay, we got it. We got plenty.